There it is. There it is. Let's go. Categories change them. Start this up. Start this up, and then let's start the other Visual Studio. Loading it in. Let's do some more, somewhat of that Unity Fiesta. All right, there it is. 1 second. Let me get some script to open stuff. A Visual Studio. Open up. Come on. Come on. Takes a while. There we go. All right, nice. Got him. And let's go. Oh, whoop. Right, last time was good here, wasn't it? So let's do it. All right. All right, let's get back to some of the Fiesta. Let's get back to some of this. Sounds screwy, probably because loading stuff. Might be. All right. Enough focus for today. Let's go back to Atomic Hearts. We checked. We seen the things. We looked at them. Something done. Something done. All right. So yeah, that is all very super basic stuff done last time. And some super 5 heads in chat as always. That is good. We got some of that going. Exactly what that exactly. See, we got some of the basics rolling here. We got some collision. We got some coordinates and everything changing. We got some of the pop-ups and everything too. With different options what to do. Last time it was going behind though, I think, wasn't it? Not in the front. Not like it really matters though. Not like it really matters though. See, we got some... I mean, it's just the... what's the name? The layer thingy. Just the layer thingy. The order and layer. We can just change them and it's gonna be fine. But actually, for some reason, changed it. I maybe did. No, they're the same. Is it kind of like always different depending on how it decides to do it? I wonder. Because they're both 0. Like, how does it decide which one gonna be on front, which one gonna be behind? They're in the same layer, they both 0. Yeah, this one is in front again. Like, you can change this to like 1, and it's gonna be... well, if I change this to 1, it's gonna be this way. Poof, and you gone. So if I do this now, for example, get this to 1. Now it should be good, eh? It's pretty much kind of like any like Photoshop or something, kind of like HTML and stuff, the Z index. So now it should be over it. Yeah, it just passes behind. So you can put different objects on different levels like this. See, we got all that stuff. That was actually quite productive last time. Today's not gonna be that much time, but let's see. So let's do something with it. Can you make them... I could try to make them despawn, maybe. Not sure what would be the smart way to do it. I mean, I kind of have an idea. So that when they go, it actually despawns. And then maybe make another respawn. Rename everything a bit. Think so? Well, I mean, something I could. Something I guess I could. Well, it might be a good idea before there is like too many references, I guess, for everything. Yeah, that might make sense. True. At least try. At least try. Alright, this at least got replaced already, so that's something. Wait, collide effect. This one doesn't have anything on player. Oh, this one is no reference on this one. I don't remember. Let me see. Could be. I can check. Oh yeah, not signing this one. Okay, I see. Oh yeah, just like takes the the lost. Yeah, the last square there. Okay. I mean, sure. So in collide event, we processing what to properly name. Well, it's literally like collision. So collide event, I think we can keep. Square spin doesn't really have anything else outside of that much, right? Square spin, just literally spinning there. Well, and it stops spinning obviously when it has a collision there. Okay. All right. So that. Well, let's do like the player. The player spin. Jótan could be. All right. And this is the. By Biota by B. It did that before. Alright, that's gonna be the encounter move. There we go. Player moves again, a black square makes poof. Oh yeah, that's actually true. That is actually true. We can do that. We can do that. That is indeed a thing. I did fuck with many of the stuff. No, I just basically kind of like. Well, actually, let me see. Let's get the errors and see where things are wrong. Let's see. Alright, game object player missing and game object encounter missing. Let's see. Let's see, where was that? Class in the scripts? No, I just like literally renamed them. Just wanted to see what's gonna happen there. Alright, let's see. So these should stay. Collide event. This one should have the new stuff there now. So last square move, we just load another one. Doesn't really matter. This shouldn't really matter too, I think, right? Okay, square spin, this stuff, right? We need to change here. So this one is player spin now. Let's redo those then. What was the smart way to rename all this one? So this one and one down there. Yes, I can imagine. I can imagine. Right click, refactor, rename. All right. Quick actions, refactorings, I guess. No, that's a different one, I feel. There's something stuff just rename, was there? I rename. Okay, yeah, this one. Enter to the name, shift enter to preview. Okay, rename everything. Player side. I renamed it somewhere else too, but not this one for some reason. Whatever. Just like there's much left though. I should do it earlier there. Okay, player spin here. Okay, this one is not the square move anymore. Because this one is this now. Transforms. Yeah, I think that kind of more. Oh, yeah, square move is now and counter move. There should be some sort of like symbols file. Oh, yeah, the square spin here too. Player spin. Should the search and try and update it that way. Does PP again. Alright, let's see. I think some of the references they kind of still remain there. What do we have on this one? Square move. Elite event. Okay, then rename something. Yeah, this one. There we go. Wait, which one? Oh yeah, big yeah. Let's do this way. Alright, compiling. I guess that did compile at least. Alright. Should be hopefully good. So yeah, we need to return it to double click. Alright, I see. Okay, now it doesn't go this one because set to an instance of an object, collide event on trigger enter. Okay, this one. Alright, I see. I just said no and passed it. That might be the reference actually missing there. Layer spin collided, pop-up box set active. Counter move. Last square move should be fine. Yeah, I think it may be missing now. Can't touch anymore. Yeah, I feel like it. Could be. Yeah, no player spin. This one replaced though itself. This one did. Oh, this one replaced because it's there. I guess. All right. Indeed, should work now. Gotta rename other functions there too. Let's try to make it clean. So yeah, we're gonna return this one to spin, and after decision is made, it returns to spinning after this one, right? Yeah, that it does. Then I'll do some despawning. Despawning and stuff, we'll see. I'm not sure actually. It's already kind of complicated. So you just like terminate the object and then create a new one. Yeah, now we return this one to spin. So it keeps spinning after that. Let's see. So that should be the collide event. Alright, so no U. Set it inactive. And then we just need to get, yeah, one of these going and we're good again. Square move we don't need because square move is just getting destroyed. So we get the player spin and set it here. That shouldn't really even be that big of a problem, I think. No, there's literally no use, so this one is the most through to it. It literally says no you. Should be fine. Boom, good. That we did them. Now let's see. We need to make it. Yeah, I guess I was like, that's the thing. Like, you need to know how to properly like despawn and then how we respawn it. So like setting it inactive is kind of not a thing, I guess. If I save it as a prefab, then it's gonna lose all the references there, right? So that ain't gonna work too. Destroy the object on the U, alright. But can we respawn it again though? With the same references and everything? That's like the main. I'm thinking how to like do it so it, like, you know, when one disappears, then we get like some second encounter to process, for example. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking here. I think you probably need to put like more stuff in the script kinda and less on the object. 10 encountered objects and 9 hidden. That actually, well, I mean, according to what Onion said, basically that's actually kind of like the way. That is actually the way it's kind of quite often done. Instead of like creating and spawning stuff, you just kind of hide the shit that is already there. Apparently, that's actually the proper way nowadays. The reference problem, if you save this as a prefab. So for example, if I would want to spawn, right, like it passes here, it gets destroyed, right, so it disappears from here. Then we want to respawn it, so we get what was the name of that function? I forgot already. The function to spawn a new object, so we save this one here as a prefab, right? But when we're gonna spawn it, then all these references here, they not gonna work. Instantiate, yeah. So you kind of need to make all this like somewhere else, somehow else. So it's gonna just spawn the block that's not gonna do shit. Pre-reference the encounter to the player. Oh wait. Actually, that is a good point here. Yeah, we already are on the player though. So box doesn't actually even have that much going, right? Box just have the move, eh? Damn shebag them. Actually useful, dude. Nice. That's nice thing actually. That is nice thing. Yeah, why you know looking for that stuff and asking when it already knows? Yeah, so we already have a encounter is basically kind of not even that useful except for move. So we need to figure out how to make this move out of the box if we just instantiate. There should be some like way to instantiate something with like a reference or something already maybe. Because I just kind of need it moving. Oh, that's how it's done actually, Utan. Yeah, that's pretty much how it's done. I actually kind of like derped there because I thought for some reason the encounters were on the square. Like the player actually stays. Well, that's outside the spinning, right? But player stays, and all the stuff is on player, so it's actually good. But if I respawn the box here now, it's not gonna have this reference, so it's not gonna be moving. So there should be some other way to do it. Yeah. I mean, in the long run, I kinda it's not gonna be endless, right? So it's not gonna be like constantly going, right? How I was thinking of, so you kind of like maybe even some sort of like global map or something. To see like this kind of like Slay the Spire-ish layout, sorta. So you, for example, like know that there is like you send the scout and you kind of have like the event, not the event, but like it's a map basically where scout reporting to you. So you have like these like empty spots on the map that you fill yourself, like what you want to encounter, kind of what scout found there, right? So scout gives you some options basically, and you put them on the map, and that's gonna become the encounters. So they already gonna be preset. There's, for example, like I don't know, like 10 encounters per run or something. You just kind of decide which ones that's gonna be. So yeah, they're gonna be preset. I'm just kind of like thinking in general how it's done. Does really not have the reference. I think when we tried with one of these, it didn't. But I mean, let's try. Let's get encounter into prefab. And let's see. It actually says here though. I think problem was not with the reference. Problem was no wait. Problem was when we tried to get prefab with canvas, and it was kind of like going into some weird position. Was it? Hey Latvian, AD progress? Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Like no. This is the first time since then I'm launching, so we're still kind of doing somewhat of the same. Just yeah, that was pop-up box, and just like polishing. Yeah, spawning this prefab was kind of like for some reason fucky with the sizes and everything. Yeah. Hell yeah, Jim Jones. Hell yeah. Nice, Latvian. Nice. Do it. Deserved it. Deserved it. Yeah. I think so, Rev. I think so. And like what kind of encounter is probably going to be something that is stored in what was the name of the in the singleton, right? Where we're going to be storing information on the whole run, basically. That's going to define which types of encounters, because the encounter technically is in pop-up box, so that's a separate thing already. All different event structure in JSON. All right. JSON. Scriptable objects as an encounter. Okay. I randomly choose objects from that. All right. Let's put it in the code. Well, I mean, depends how, like, I guess, convenient to scalability you want to have it or something. It's kind of like the database stuff, right? Like, you can make a website by just putting all the shit in the HTML files and then have, like, hundreds of them, or you can just have, you know, the one page with PHP code that just drags stuff from the SQL and just builds all those hundreds of HTML pages. So you don't need to find which HTML page you need to edit and where when you just want to add a line of text there. I see. It works good for fuck everything else. I mean, not false, dude, not false. I mean, for me right now, that's already, you know, if it works, that's already an achievement. So I am already okay with that. The Stardews, yeah, Stardews I actually heard about, yeah. That I recognize. That I recognize. Alright, so we're gonna try to spawn the encounter. So as soon as one of these is resolved, we're just spawning another one. So that should be probably on the collide event. And we need to delete it. Well, we're gonna be deleting it by collide event on no U. Or we're gonna be deleting it whenever it kinda reaches here. So I need, like, I guess whenever the coordinate of one of these gets to 0, it just pp poofs then. I would guess. So that should be whenever how like I guess it's center defines, right, position. So we need the center position or what? I wonder. Yeah, I'm just kind of like doing more of the random stuff now. It's actually not exactly the D game here. What kind of? Where is it? This kind. You can see the masterpiece. Kinda. Not sure. It's all gonna be changing and everything through the iteration process and everything many times. Our exposition TD moving through. Let's see. Yeah, so we need basically like this. Minus 10.66. Card game, it might be. It might be. Basically, like right now is like how it's kind of gonna be. You just have some sort of like entity caravan, something moving. You have some encounters that you will need to be solving. So it's either gonna be, you know, just the camera never would work. Yeah. And the roguelike, sorta. At least for starters. The goal, I kind of have like a little bit of an idea how to wrap all the story to explain timer. That actually also might be the case here, since the speed is kind of the same. Yeah, just kind of want to test, then, you know, like maybe later already try to do something more or less. I mean, you will need assets and stuff, right? Too. So that already way down the line, get something. Well, actually, I guess get something also already working still with the boxes, and then already putting assets on. But I think like through the iteration, how the loop goes, there are gonna be a lot of changes probably to keep it like kind of fun and everything. The timer. The thing with timer, for example, will be kind of tricky is Like, you still need to tie everything to the pop-up, right? So like whenever someone just like sits there thinking and then it just like poof because timer expired, right? So you still will need to like stop the timer then while decision is not being made and then return to the timer. I mean, that's good practice, I guess, but that sounds kind of a bit of a weird one. I mean, camera is not going to be moving, so I think we can try just this one for now. Control, oh yeah, return the changes true. So 10.60 minus 10.66 on X we need. See. You think yeah, that should be an encounter move for sure. Because every encounter might be disappearing, but if it's not, then this one's gonna be killing it. Yeah, less than equal probably, because depending on the speed, shouldn't probably go with equal there. The spaghetti code might confuse you. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Yeah, looking like into some like, super giga guides or like examples, for example, is that you probably spend way more time, just like digging through it and understanding what things do rather than just trying to build it. But I mean, like with advice and stuff, feel free for sure. That's how we roll here. The chat advice friends are the best, dude. Huh? That was amazing. Amazing experience last time. Amazing progress, I would say, actually, even. It's quite impressed. Yes, I see. Oh, it's data containers. Okay, that's nice. Well, the thing is, like, the encounter stuff is on player, so that's actually easier. So this one handles everything already. That's what actually Onion kind of like said it to or try. And yeah, if you have like a lot of encounters, that's actually was smart to move everything here. So it's all on the player, and it all checks like whatever whatever is passing through it. So it might be like any other different encounter and stuff. It's gonna be still kind of processing it here. So that's good. Yes, 11. Alright. Following tutorial just took an entire section from the video. I see. I mean, yeah, that sounds like a proper process there. Yeah, let's try with the distance for now. Oh, the distance from player, that also might be, yeah. That's actually also true, yeah. That'll, if we move the camera, then I guess maybe the distance from the player also might be changing maybe. Let's see. So collide event gonna be instead of set inactive, we're just gonna terminate completely, right? So how does that work? So we have pop-up box instead of set active. We just need to like completely kill it. Pop-up box, like I don't know, like there's like destroy or something. He's destroyed. No, I don't think it's the case, I guess, here. Or is it? I think there's something else probably. Yeah, I feel like he's destroyed as a check, yeah. That's a bit of a different probably. Is there some destruction there? So like the spawning but with destroying instead. Okay, what can it be there? Because set active, we kind of don't want they're gonna be spawning new ones. We just want to kill. Their kill. There might be, probably not. You want to destroy the pop-up box? Oh yeah, pop-up box we don't destroy too. True. That's the wrong one. That's the wrong number. That's this one. The game object might have different things though. That might actually be... No, still is destroyed though. Damn, I see the bug, I see. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. The work. The work. The C++. Just in the code. No engine, nothing. No real engine or something. How we destroying then? Any semantics experts there? Is he's destroyed any good? Didn't encounter update method there. No, this for now is like no you already destroying, but it's destroying by setting it active. For now, I just want to just destroy this way. Yeah, self-destroy, yeah. That will be when it passes some distance. This one is no you instead of inactive gonna be destroying. But I'm not sure how. Like he's destroyed is different stuff, I think, right? Because this one is or is it? No, that seems more kind of like a check, I guess. When he's destroyed. Just destroy. No, destroy doesn't really even show anything. Object destroy there is. Maybe we need to address it differently then. Game object destroy. Oh, it's just destroy and then object we want to be gone. Oh yeah, the capitalizing might be actually. No, it's destroyed still. So we just like destroy the last square move then, right? Probably. Destroy the. Okay, let's try. No, yeah, apparently seems like. Oh, destroy last square move, is it? This way. Let's try. Time for a PP poof. Let's see. Let's see. The same? Alright. Yeah, since I already had all these there references, let's try that way, I guess. So that's gonna be this one. Nah, that didn't actually destroy it though. That didn't destroy anything. One case. Square move. That did not destroy it. Last square move attach? Yeah, it was at least, unless it for some reason didn't, but I think it should. Oh, actually, wait a second. One moment. That should be... yeah, last square move is being... like, it looks for it. It finds it. It should find it. On trigger event, it should be, yeah. Last square move, other get component, encounter move. Yeah, it's this one, should be. Yeah, it just gets defined here. But it worked before, though, that's the thing. It worked before, though, So, wait a second. The last square move. So on trigger event, it should already get this thing. Only on game objects, alright. What if it... That probably not it, though. Game object? Yeah, I was actually thinking maybe. Let's try this way then, I guess, yeah. That's what we had. Game object and then set active, maybe. Yeah, I guess. True. So that kind of shows that it's like the game and the game object in particular. Okay, yeah, that works good. Now we need the self-destruct there. The component is essentially... Wait, and if not, then how does that work? So it just disappears from here. How does that work? No, it is disappearing. Okay, good. He just fucking dies. Alright, now... Now we need on this, we need to check... Or rather, we need to check here, probably. So we need... again, the check, probably, right? So we need the transform, which we already kind of have. I don't know why we have transform, actually. I guess because I copy-pasted it or something. Oh, the transform translates so it moves. Yeah, so we already have this. Hey, Belial. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So we can actually already even have that one. Yeah, PP pool based on position. So we get his past. Calls false. Transform get position. Okay. Do we need the bool here? I don't think so, really. I need to also do this. Yeah, I think we just need something else. So which type we even need here? Has passed. I don't even need has passed. We just need. Can I just like don't need anything? Yeah, I guess true. So we check this. We do be needing to check it every time, though, right? So if transform get a position. Get position in rotation. Okay, let's try get. It might be game object, maybe no, only position. Transform X also works. I guess maybe position. Yeah, transform position. But we need only X from this one. We transform X. I think so. I mean, technically kind of should though, because it is transform already. Like, transform already should be sending the coordinates. So dot X should just work. Let's try transform X. It should be less than equal minus 11. Let's say how do we self-destroy here? I guess destroy, and we destroy and counter move. No, wait a second. No. How do you even like destroy self that way? Since we kind of don't really know what exactly we're working, we just destroy self. Not here. Maybe if I do like self dot something. Nah, not really. The self reference there. Just destroy that way. Let's try. I mean, I guess. Destroy this. Indeed. Take 0 arguments. No. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Transform does not contain definition for X and no accessible extension method X accepting a first argument of type transform. So that doesn't work. That did not work, so we need actually some coordinates here. Destroy this. Oh, that actually ironically destroy this. All right. So could we get coordinates? No, it wasn't the get position. Position. Oh, wait a second. Transform position. Yeah. No. Pick. Did work there for a second, brother. What didn't you show before? Transform position X. Oh yeah, that works good. Maybe destroy a deuce. Banana. It's insane coding right there. The giga code. Insane video games. Alright, let's see. Land breaks between. Yeah, I will. Alright, so we're checking if you actually destroy this. It's still there. It is still there. Actually, I mean, it stopped going below -11, but it's still here, though. Oh, yeah, the game object. True, actually. Yeah. That only takes game objects. Okay, I know. Sure. Get this shit here. And let's try this game object. I mean, it wasn't moving after, though, actually. So I'm not sure. Nice, that works. Alright, good. He gone. Good, now let's try to spawn new one. Destroy the script and script makes it move. Oh, I see. So it doesn't destroy the object, but it destroys everything connected to the object, so it just stops moving there behind. Ah, interesting, alright. Interesting. So you can like strips it out of everything else, but it still kind of stays as an object though. The sun, the humiliation there. Okay, now, after it's gone, are we gonna be making the new one? We can try even to create one then, right? Because why not? Why not? Probably. That was what? Forgot again. Pipiega. Well, I mean, yeah, not everything, but on the object we had, yeah. All right, so we need so whenever it disappears, in any case, we need some sort of like spawner to work then. Encounter move, use the destroys and the current. Okay, that actually is a good call. Yeah, I think so. So we get the respawn right after that. That I think is a good call. So it's gonna be killed by by the function no matter what, and create a new one as soon as the old one is gone. So we just need to do. We just need to do it as a function then. Then we have this one though. Which I mean I can change that though. This I can change. So we just make a function. Well, we'll need a reference though, probably, right? So we need. I can't make references towards encounter box though because actually no, the references did work kinda. So I guess that should. The last square move destroy. Yeah. Well, I mean it kind of does work. This one kind of does work already. Destroy and respawn. Yeah. So we need it on this one. So we're gonna call it as a function. I kind of want to have the reference though go and probably do it through the yeah on the encounter for sure. So I can like connect in because this is already a function here. Unless we call it another function from the function. Like this one already kills. Probably we destroy and respawn. Yeah. I'm thinking how to do it. Like, will we be able to? Yeah, just like thinking how to trigger it properly. So this already is a function, right? So like on click, it already happens, and you kind of need it to be this way because it also like restarts the spin and stuff, right? So we kind of need this one to be here, and removing pop-up box too. So we just need to call a function from a function, like from this function. We need to call the function in the encounter move there, right? Like, is there how would we do that? Hey, some prayer, hello. How we doing, man? Yeah, so I was thinking about making just kind of like reference here, so it just kind of passes that way. Last square move. Oh, that's how it works. Okay, that's easy then. All right. I just didn't know how it works like this. All right. Just let it move past you. But that's the thing. That's gonna be like not exactly, no you is gonna be like, I don't know, fight or something, and you kind of destroy it here and there. So I kind of wanted to do it on purpose, so it just disappears that way instead of passing through us. Yeah, that's actually good. If it works like that, how Steve said, that's nice. I just didn't know how it works with functions like that. All right, good. That's good. So we just go. Come on. Go with the destroy and remove. Let's try destroy and respawn rather. So that one gonna be now doing this. But the functions also do this shit. I already forgot about that completely. That's an encounter good. No. We don't need that. We need this here. Yes. Don't you bait me there. Add that under update. Below build-in functions. Okay, I see. All right. Sure. So below here. Okay, yeah. These are also functions. All right. The row. So here we do the self-destroy then. Yeah. Destroy. I destroy this game. Yeah. The row. Destroy this game object. And then we do... So how do we call it from here? Just the name, basically. Destroy and respawn. Okay, I see. So here we do this way, right? And we also instantiate. Ooh, how would we were calling this one? Instantiate. Was it just encounter? Encounter. No, encounter move is a script. We don't want to instantiate that. We want to instantiate the object. How was the prefab instantiating? I already forgot about that. We have it here, which I actually need probably to redo later too. The prefab references. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I remember now. True. So it's public. Was it game object too? That's fine. Let's do it more clear there. Well, it actually would like not even respawn. Spawn. Technically, it's gonna be a different one. Yeah, in the position check this, I guess, or do we need to add something else? We need something else probably, right? Doesn't exist in the current context. So it only will all actually work because we announced it later. Oh, oh yeah, the position actually, true. Instantiate. Ooh, how did we do the coordinates last time? I remember there was something. Yeah, transform, right? Object original and transform. Need to check. A new vector, all right. What was that? Here we had 9.73 minus 1.980. Vector 3, all right. $973. We need new for this one? Okay. Oh, otherwise we need the... Yeah. Oh, yeah, true, actually. That would be more smooth, eh? That would be more smooth, eh? Like 11, basically, yeah. We do have also, right? I guess that we don't even need. Set to 0, yeah, okay. Y, I mean, I actually kind of don't really need Y. It should be on 0 too, to be honest. It's just kind of not very precise, but sure, fine. Like -2. Minus 1.98. And Z would just skip it then because it's gonna set it to 0 already. The 0, 0. I mean, I guess I'll need to adjust that stuff. I mean, I think it actually said that it says 0 there. Or otherwise, you just need to put like vector 3, float x, float y. So y component sets z 0. So seems like not necessarily, I guess. Let's try. So this one not gonna work though. Is it because we announced kind of after? What does it say? It doesn't exist in current context there. You need to announce it before. I mean, it's all going to be running already, so it technically should be announced already. Renamed. Oh, yeah. It's true. True. PP again. Let's see. Yeah, so the spawn encounter, you say not that good. New? A new encounter. Alright, sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, all these, Getting fuel there, indeed. Okay, new encounter, new encounter. Here we go. Oh, yeah, wait. Oh, yeah, this one and this one. Yeah, okay. PP again. True. Wait, I'm holding still. Convert from Unity Engine Vector 3 to Unity Engine Transform. Maybe we do need that then. Yeah, doesn't get the transform there. Didn't. Oh, Vector 3. Why you gotta be mad there? Do we need new though? I think we did last time. I don't remember. Was there new? Potential fixes. Let's see what you show me in potential. Instantiate in general. A vector 3 position, quaternion rotation. So I don't think we need new, right? Probably. Do we even need maybe vector 3 there? No, it should be new, I think. That's how we did it before, after all, too. So... Okay, mad now, why? Non-invocable member vector 3 cannot be used like a method. Yes, so we go with new. Cannot convert from Unity Engine vector 3 to Unity Engine transform. Yeah, it says vector 3 position. Maybe we just need the literally position there. Kinda weird though. Yeah, this one works here just fine, for example. What is wrong with you there? Being dumb using one of the overloads, I guess. Yeah, maybe. Even though it says vector 3 to Unity Engine transform, maybe it takes, I don't know, transform another vector 3. That could be like quaternion, I guess, though. That's the only one that is there. Actually, maybe there's some more too. Yeah, 10 overloads, actually. Quaternion identity. It kind of seems like it, actually. Yeah, I guess. Why, though? So just like... Oh, okay. Now it's molding again. Why, though? The one rotation value, basically. Didn't do that last time, though. That was fine. Nope. Why are you there? It didn't want it last time for some reason. Oh, yeah, we defined the parrot there. Yeah, true. Yeah. Literally does nothing. Okay. Sure. Let's try. Let's see. That was it. On collide event now. We do the last square move and then the name of the function, was it? Yeah, destroy and spawn. Beautiful. It's already showing even. Let's see. I didn't set the reference though yet. Okay. I mean, you should like destroy and stuff everything. But I didn't set the reference. Let me redo it actually because I already changed stuff. I guess I'm not sure if it changes it that way. There we go. Tito Musk. We'll see. Well, I mean, it's already a bunch of fridges. If you have enough imagination, and they, you know, collide, and one of them is spinning even. It's all about how much imagination you have, eh? Alright, let's see this way. Okay, it created a clone. The clone does have the transform and everything. The clone doesn't move. Oh yeah, because if we kill with no U, it doesn't move anymore. It kills the script, I think. Let's do the key, then it should actually move. We'll just need to fix that then. The new class encounter manager. I mean, true, yeah, that is true. It's like a new just separate script basically, right? Yeah, the game manager in general will be, yeah, that will be the case. But the encounter stuff gonna be there for sure. All right, clown is not moving again. Probably again because it's just no. It should actually be moving though. I think because it sets the collide to false, or like, you know, it turns the collide off. I think that's why probably. So then after the restart, we will need to kind of reset the colliders too, seems like. Well, I mean, this is moving, right? So we just like set the collide here. After it spawned, we just set his collided to false again. And it should kind of keep going then. Probably. Let's try. No, that ain't it. Transform the encounter clone. So it should be kind of working. Click on the clone. Yeah, there it is. The scene view. I mean, it's not moving. You can see this one. Escalated this falls. It just doesn't move. I think it's because with like the turn. Skipping a frame after destroying and then reinstantiate. I mean, it seems like it's the reinstantiating fine. It just doesn't roll the script for it, though. It just doesn't roll the script for it. Yeah, this one just sends this one to true, so they stop. Destroy and spawn. Oh, wait a second, maybe. No, it's player spin sets to false, so it keeps going. Script attached to the prefab. Yeah. It was still there, referencing itself, the copy of encounter. Instantiate first. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, instantiate first when there's nothing completely. I mean, could be doable too. Just the prefab. Remove this completely. Yeah. This one is attached. Yeah. Instantiate and then destroy. So that's gonna be the clone that way. I mean, actually, maybe waiting a bit might make it. Maybe it's not gonna be the clone. Maybe it's not. It's just gonna be the original one. Because it calls it clone. Maybe that's. I mean, I doubt it, but maybe. Maybe you should actually wait a bit. What's the way to do it properly? And just wait a few ticks. You said the frame or something. What's gonna be the wait one? Let's try. Meant out the destroy one. This one completely. Commit. Where is it? This way. I mean, let's try. Sure. Let's try. Come on, Chris. I just spawns a bunch of them there. Well, that's because what's the name? That's because it keeps creating it every time since we don't destroy anything. I think maybe the wait. What's the wait command there? Yeah, it's the destroy. Seems like. I do need this for now at least. Otherwise, it's not even gonna work. Is it like destroying itself so fast or something? Because it's this? Kinda doubt it, but... Destroying the object and the script say it cannot reinstantiate. But it says on the game object though. Can we do it some other way? Destroy this game object. Maybe we can do it some other way. It uses the prefab, but it doesn't make it in time, I guess. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, it does. It does create it. Actually, it does create it. It does create it. It just doesn't move. Huh? So the object gets created, but maybe the script is not working anymore, though. Yeah, the prefab gets created. So instantiate does work first, and then destroy. Let's try. Let's try this way. Sure. Yeah. Okay. That works that way. Yeah. So maybe it does actually kill the script that way or something. Now we try. Oh, now there is another one though. At least it's going all over the place. Now it's not. I think we were turning off the encounter, the collision or something because it was spinning, right? Or something. Like we did something with that. So we need to re-enable it, I guess, after that. Like I remember we did something there. Yeah, maybe it actually like kills the script or something. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, clone, clone, clone. A whole bunch of clones there. Make me more of those clones, dude. That might also be kind of like in the end not that good. Let's see. So this we also probably don't need anymore. Or actually, let's check. Do we? I guess it should reset right after. Oh, yeah, we're removing the collide so it keeps spinning and moving. Yeah, so that should be fine. We're returning it how it was. But I think we also are doing like something with other collides after. Like it's not colliding anymore. Yeah, that's fine. That works. But now we need to see why it's not colliding on the second in the different runs. And that's probably something here. Collide true, set active. Other enabled. What was the other? Oh, yeah, this one. Other enabled. It just disables it. So we need to re-enable it again. Can we just basically return it right after here? We need to like spin it again after some time, I feel like. Can we, what if we try to do it here? I feel it might just enable it and it's gonna keep, you know, colliding. We need to wait until it kind of disappears and then we can do it. I think. Well, let's try, but I think that's gonna be the case. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't need to try it even. It's gonna just keep colliding all the time. So we need like some sort of wait until it passes, and then we can then turn it on again. The line of code ran, but it just was not moving. Yeah, like it created the prefab, but it's kind of like the script wasn't working, which is weird, huh? So we need to make. So they move here. Other is yeah. Other we were getting the what's the name? Yeah, the name of the encounter. Yeah, that's an encounter. So we just need to like wait some time. Enable it in the encounter start. I mean, we could, yeah. That will need the reference though, probably, right? Another option is to put the collision on. Nah, actually, no, that's probably not gonna work then. Trying to it turns off the collision. So on the second, third, and other runs, it just doesn't pop up anything. Like it doesn't collide. So we need to turn it off after every cycle. Because if we keep it on, then it's when it's passing, it keeps colliding. Get component collider. That's gonna be on different though. The collider event is on player. So we need to return it when encounter respawns. Is there some way to check that the object was created? So we can check like if object created, we just like reset it basically to enable the encounter when it spawns. Yeah. I mean, it should work, yeah. Re-enable the collider for the encounter, yeah. Well, for the respawn. So like one circle, one encounter, or one collider. Because if we don't disable it, then it just like, since it keeps spinning and this keeps moving, it just keeps colliding all the time. So we need to disable it after the first touch, and then we will need to re-enable it. I mean, there are some dumb ways to do it, obviously, right? Just wait until it passes, you know, and then re-enable it. But yeah, I guess we could just put it in here somewhere. Yeah, just in start. But I needed to connect them though, right? I will need to connect them then. The reference I will need, right? Because we need the... Oh, wait a second. Oh, yeah, we checked the collision. Actually, no. Component will get component. Oh, wait a second. So we need other component, collider to the enabled, basically, right? Or something. Thank you, Latvin. Thank you, man. Enjoy. Yeah, I'm gonna be like already piecing out very soon, so we're just gonna make this one work right now. Gonna be a bit of a homework for today. Yeah, we need a collider. The collider is not an encounter. Collider is on the event, I think. Actually, wait a second. On trigger, enter collider to the other. So collider is an encounter, actually. Yeah, but who got the collider in the end? Well, did we end it on player or... Yeah, box collider is on player. Encounter doesn't. It does have also collider, but this one is not enabled, I think. Okay, but we're turning off the collider on the encounter, I think, right? In the end, because it's other enabled false. So we just basically need to enable collider on... On encounter, check the collider. Okay, let's see. The rule. Check what happens there. All right, pause. Yeah, collider disabled. Okay, collider disabled on this one. On player, collider enabled. Okay, so we just need to restart his collider then. So yeah, this should work then, right? It should be this. Or is it disabled so it doesn't collide every time it passes through, you know? So it gets disabled so it can pass peacefully without triggering the collision again. Because every time it passes through it, it collides basically. Prefab should be a brand new object. Kinda true actually. But for some reason it doesn't. Yeah, the whole prefab change actually, yeah. That is true. That is an interesting one. The whole purpose of prefab, yeah. The prefab did change, yeah. That's actually, wait a sec, let's see. Yeah, prefab here has box collider. Like I pressed it here now, right? So here it is. Prefab still has it though. Like prefab has the collider. This one doesn't. Oh, is it because we instantiating before destroying it or something? A reference from the scene. Not from asset manager. Let me see. New encounter is prefab. No, there it is. This one. So now everything in there is this one. Is this one? No, no, no. That is all. That is all here. From the asset manager. There it is. Sure. Any good day. Hello. Yeah, this enabled here. And I didn't drag it there. New trial. I mean, let's see. But it was there though. Nice, disabled. I think it's just because script still stays the same. Like the prefab is new, but the script is like the same and everything just stays in the script, not on the prefab, I guess. So we just need to reinitiate that somewhere here. So on start we go, how was it, like this? This, so we go, can we do the collider? No, it has collided. Game object or something. What did you expect it, I see. Trying to do. Oh, we basically just need to, for some reason, like the prefab doesn't like recreate exactly the default state, but it kind of still saves some of like this what scripts did to it, I guess, or something. For some reason. So I don't know, it can like, no, it should be stored in the script somewhere. A disk collider, okay. You created an object from the prefab. So you mean not instantiate, but something else instead? I mean, we're deleting encounter from the scene though, but the thing is like we're creating the new one before that. Actually, let me see. Like, what if we, again, it's not gonna work, right? But it creates the clone. So let's try this way again. Just for science, I guess. Like, it's not gonna move, but let's try it this way. Next gen, hello. Thank you, sir. Thank you, man. Like, it's gonna be deleted, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Okay, clone. No, it doesn't have it either, so it doesn't matter when you... Okay, this script is dead too now. Technically, you can just restart the script too, I guess, and everything will work, but whatever. We figured that one out at least somewhat. Somewhat. Yeah, encounter mode also dead. Yeah, by the way, and you still recreate it and it's still dead there. So that's something with the script. So wait, what do you mean there? Never create an object from the prefab. Delete encounter from the scene completely. Then just start with like instantiating it. I need it as an object in the scene. The prefab in the scene, okay. Like this, encounter 1. And then we just deactivate it or something? Or how do we do that? Oh, remove the original one. Oh, I see what you mean, okay. I guess these also change it. References work. Seems like they do. Let's see, I guess. No, I think it works there. Oh, I mean, I see what you mean. All right, 1 second. Let's see. I'll see what you mean. Remove that. Now it also didn't even spawn whatsoever. But yeah, it disappeared too. It's reference itself. Okay, 1 second. I feel like you just need like different name or something. Yeah, maybe. Let's try. That is true, actually. No, it actually was different. It didn't change this one. Okay, it stopped even appearing. Well, whatever. No, it also disappeared this value. Why did we stop? Oh, because I didn't save this. Okay, that's fine though. That ain't it anyway, but let's see. Yeah, I don't think that's the case actually there. Indeed, it actually does still referencing itself again. Yeah. Yeah, it actually starts referencing itself again. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try to rename this then too. We could transform maybe in. Try this way. Yeah, it again does that. Maybe it's something in the code, eh? Yeah, you can do the start thing. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Something in the code, eh? New encounter. Game object, new encounter. Maybe it's like not game object. Maybe there's some like something special for like prefabs or something. But yeah, let's just do this for now. So we need go to move. So on start we do this collide, right? No. This maybe game object collider. Actually, wait a second. Maybe collider then. No. Collider 2D enable we do there. Game object get component collider 2D. Do it like this, enable true, or just I'll do through this one. Just thought to complete that. Alright, sure. Let's try. That's a weird way to do it, I guess, but we'll see. Let's see how this will go. Alright, try this one, then I'll try another one. Alright, good. Try this one, alright. Good. So far, so good. It does work, nice. Touch the game object, it will by default reference that. Okay, I see. So we don't even need a deuce. No deuce. So we just do that way. And try, sure. Means we can remove maybe this one. Just destroy game object. Optimizing. Insane. Optimizations are coming. Yeah, we'll see what's with prefab. Need to figure out the behavior goes. It's not that big of a deal, but I mean, kind of weird. Why you create something that is already modified? We need you to create something new. It also makes sense if it would like create once and then like reference itself already, but like still, like why? Alright, yeah, I did actually don't need any this there. So we don't need this even. This. Next step retracing, yeah, on the way there now. Gonna get your actually game to play soon. Not sure about the upcoming Friday. I'm kind of like waiting if there will be like some games appearing, but maybe. And there is kind of one. I'll need to think. Maybe if not like this Friday, then the next one maybe or something. I plan to. I gotta find time. Well, yeah, that seems like it works. It sure does. Nice. All right, got some new stuff going. All right. I do this. Good. All right, this one actually going somewhere. Nice. Nice. It's time to hire. Yeah, exactly. Time to ship it. All right, good. Got some of that stuff going. The practice went somewhere. Feels good. So yeah, next time then I guess on Sunday I might do an evening though, on the alt stream then. In the evening, probably, for a couple of hours. Think so, Sock? Damn son, feels good, man. Feels good. It's already getting somewhere then. Nice old Garbo, of course. It's all just the beginning. We'll get there. Alright, save this shit. Save it all. Let's save it even this one, just in case. Even though I did with the hotkey, might as well. Alright. Oh, the hentai on top of it, yeah. Exactly. Encounters gonna be just encounters with your waifus, man. And you're gonna decide what to do with them and everything. I mean, just need assets already, and we're good. It's almost working. Alright. That is nice. Alright, that is nice. It's good to have all the five-head people around, man. And the teachers that give me the homework to do. Feels good, The live homework. Good, live homework with the boys, Good. So that is gonna be it for today, sadly. But I'm gonna be back on Friday. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow, like the long day off here. So tomorrow gonna go visit family, and the family from another city too. So that's gonna be that's gonna be quite. But yeah, you know, once in a while, it's actually not too bad, I guess, to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be back on Friday. We're gonna do some more Atomic Hearts in the morning, and then I'm gonna do first look Friday segment. We'll see. Maybe I'll do Old Town's game. Maybe we'll do some other stuff. I will do his game anyway, though. Just need to find when. But yeah, we will do that. All right, let's read Ella. There we go. There we go. So yeah, that's gonna be the plan. Friday, 8:30 a.m. CET, as always. Usual time, usual place. Gonna be there. Enough time to add waifus to his game. I mean, his game is quite interesting. Not sure about waifus, but it does look quite nice. Yeah, no. So yeah, we'll get them. But yeah, for now, I am out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for all the support, all the subs, resubs, followers, donos. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you.